SIRI AI, the SIRI AI app, the one that Apple advertised on WWDC, literally about an hour after I went live yesterday. That's when mine came through. So it took approximately about 23 to 24 hours for mine to come through. But it's here now. So of course I have it on my phone, but it's also on my iPad. So I'm gonna flip the camera just so I can show you all of the different things that it can do. Yeah, so let's get started, shall we? Mhm. Let me flip the camera. Let me figure out how to do that. Nice. Cool. So I am going to, I can either swipe down from the top now or I can hold down my side button. Like here, I'm also going to put my iPad on D&D so that nothing comes. Oh, not you, not you, not you.
I didn't quite catch that.
Not you. No, 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 no. How do I get rid of this? Okay, just like that. Cool. So I can hold on the side. I can say the magic K3 words and then it should pop up there. I can also swipe down from the middle to get access to it as well. But let's go to the app. So let's see here, recently added. So it's downloaded it by itself. I can go into the app here and you can see all of my chats down the side. I can see it as a list or I can see it as a grid. I like the grid version. It just feels a bit more different than the other AI apps that are, out there. But what I like to do and what I find more seamless is when I, ask Siri something and I'm like, what do owls eat? As a chat is hilarious to me. So what was something that I was in the middle of doing? It was like, let's just do what do owls eat? Oh no, I don't want it to open up there. Let me do. Oh, I don't even need to swipe down from the middle, from the top. I can also swipe down from here, like the spotlight search. So let me type in what should I eat for dinner? And then it's working its magic. I couldn't find any specific dinner plans or reservations in your messages, emails, or calendar for tonight. And then what I can do, I can swipe down to continue speaking to it. And then be like, I don't want you to look through my messages. I want you to give me suggestions.
Here are a few popular and easy dinner ideas you can whip up tonight, ranging from quick comfort food to lighter options. This answer is from fiscalcooks.com.
And I can swipe down. I can bring up the keyboard again if I want to ask Siri something, but I can also expand, and that's when it will open up this Siri AI app, which I think is really cool. So I'll be honest with you, like I was making a cake today, and I either I needed to ask it something about some of the ingredients that I had, or can I use this instead of this? I was literally speaking to it like I was asking my mom a question. Do you know what I mean? And it was really cool, very responsive, very responsive. I'm pushing it. It took a while to execute certain commands, but after it executed certain commands, it was fine. But what I like about Siri AI that is different to the different chatbots that I have, like I basically mainly use ChatGPT and sometimes I use DeepSeek, but I like that it looks through my phone. That sounds very suspicious, but Apple claim to have the privacy, the private cloud compute. So, and I have Apple Intelligence on my phone anyway, so I might as well just use the benefits that is allowed me to have. Do you know what I mean? So I would send it pictures of my screen and be like, okay, well, this is what I have here. I'll give you a perfect example. I forgot to add chocolate chips to my cake. And then I was just like, okay, when should I have added? I wasn't even on the notes app, but it knew that I had a banana cake recipe on my notes. And I was just like, I asked it, where should I have added? Hi Tyrone, how are you? I was like, where should I have added the chocolate chip cookies, and then it said after step 5, right at the end, and then I looked through step 5, but it just made a lot of sense. It was really good, actually. So it was looking through my notes or scanning through my notes because I already had it. Really good to me, really good. But yeah, back to the Siri AI app. So this is all of the chats that I've created, and can I search through the different chats to see where everything was? I can create a new one up here. I can create a new one there. I can go into any one, and then if I wanted to search for something that was in any of the other chats, I can just search for it and it will find it for me here, which is nice. The only thing is, right, it seems to create chats randomly based on could be a bad thing, could be a bad thing. I like organized chaos, if that makes sense. So if you look at my chat GPT, you'll see that I have project folders. And then in those project folders, I ask it different things about similar topics. But I do that because ChatGPT says, unless you add it to tell it to save it to its memory, it can't access other chats. But because it's Siri AI and it's deeply integrated into your phone, I don't think I'll have this issue here. So I don't think it matters how many chats I have open because it can just search through all of them and it can communicate through the different chats. I think I've only been testing it for like I said, 24 hours a day. So there's not really much. I haven't deep dived into it yet. I've just seen that. And I was on the phone because I know you can speak to like if you're on the phone to British Airways, it'll pull up your information. Like if you haven't had an email or something relevant, it will pull up all of that information. But I was on the phone to like a car leasing company and I don't think it put two and two together. But that's neither here nor there. That was a test. So I can't, do you know what I mean? I can't expect it to know every single business. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun using the app. This was basically all I wanted. I just wanted the Siri AI app because apart from the app, there's not really much you can what's wrong? Apart from the Siri AI app, there's not that much new to oh, yeah. There's not that much new to WWDC this year. Uh, what else is there? Apart from the app, dinner options. See, this is the last thing that I asked it here, which is nice. But yeah, guys, there's not actually much to this now, you know. But can you see the different things that it's looked at? That's really cool. And then these are all of the chats that I've had. As you can see, my cake here. This is my cake chat. And then can I add to the chat here? Oh yeah, just click down here and then I can ask it something. So, because I have the keyboard, obviously the keyboard won't show up there, but yeah, this is it really. Yeah, team, it's a really short live. I don't actually have that much to show today. Oh, we're going to talk about tomorrow. How exciting.